So
It
this
is
is
the 3rd of October 2019 in WIKISPEED Stand-Up, and we'll hand her over to Lauren.
Lauren Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia. And past week I didn't do anything except I did read Michael's musings on the truck and the kind of expressive, almost what you'd say the face of the truck and what could be the face of the LRW in terms of expressing various things, not emotionally, but in terms of information, putting across or providing information directly on the surface of the object. It's a very interesting idea and musings. So I read that, and I started to watch the truck video, but I haven't watched the whole thing yet. And coming week, probably not much. Blocks are. I'm going to talk about the blocks in crosstalk, and so that's it for me. Thank you.
Okay, it's Michael Wolchuk in Saskatoon. This past week, I saw the video on the truck and how it kind of let you know what was going on and whether or not it saw you and stuff like that. In the video, it looked like an interesting user interface. So I posted it to the group. No one's replied just yet. And I did a little bit more work on the object description for a Little Red Wagon, but I haven't posted anything, so I guess that doesn't really count as progress. Next week, unfortunately, my list looks the same as it did last week. I still need to get the infrared communication working on serial. And blocks, nothing that anybody can help me with. So I guess back over to you, Lauren.
Okay. So I'll give myself 2 for showing up and reading the email. The team, I'm going to go for 7. And the process improvement is I think it's a good time for, I guess, thinking about stuff in October. I'm thinking, yeah, I'm kind of thinking into November, but I don't have a specific process improvement. Just maybe I can think of something before November, and that's it for me.
Okay, I didn't have very high expectations for this week, and I managed not to make that far. So I'm going to give myself a 5 out of 10. I did show up. I did post last week's stand-up, so I did make a little bit of progress. For the team, I don't know. We're still getting together, but we're not making much for progress. 6 or 7, I guess. And process improvement. Until we get more people on the actual call, I don't think it's going to make a whole lot of difference what we do for process improvement. But it's a good thing to still try to keep thinking of one, I guess. And that's about it for me. We can go into crosstalk. Do you want to stop recording?
Before there's stopping recording, I got an idea for the process improvement. I don't know if it's exactly a process improvement, but like Joe is a kind of international guy now. So what I'm thinking is we should plan for some kind of I don't know if it's going to be stand-up or something with Joe and us before Christmas. a touch base or uh, a stand-up, a kind of a broader kind of stand-up where he can talk about what he's been doing, which I'm sure is a whole bunch. And so, anyways, I heard from him because of my personal situation, and he was very nice. And I think we can kind of recognize that he may be a special guest, and we plan that for every quarter or something like that. That's a thought, because things move on. So that's my musings. It's not exactly process improvement, but something to think about.
Well, getting an update from Joe, I think is a good idea. I'm not sure where. I guess if we get a hold of him and find out when he's available. Thursdays doesn't seem to be very good for him. If we can get him on a meeting while he's in an airplane, I think
Yeah.
I think we'll have a much better shot.
Works.
So it might be a little later in the day, maybe, if because I think he's actually usually in the airport when we're on the meeting.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, that would be cool.
I think that's something to shoot for.
Yep.
Okay.
And
so
likewise, we can kind of bring him up to speed with stuff we're thinking about.
Right. I
Okay.
will hit stop on the recording, and then we will continue talking.